This channel was created to help beginners interested in trading get started. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Trading the Gap. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Mal, and I have a passion for trading. My passion is to help beginners learn about trading stocks so you can make your own educated decisions. And the goal for this channel is to have a positive atmosphere where beginners that are interested in trading stocks can learn and share their knowledge with each other. When I first started trading, it was a rough journey. I wasn't sure where to start, wasn't sure what to do, and it took a long time for me to learn this on my own. I am not a hedge fund manager. I've never worked at a big bank. I'm just a regular guy that loves trading. And when I started 8 years ago, I was fascinated. I wanted to know what made the markets move and how to make money from it. As I started learning about the markets and kept getting better and better at reading them, I realized that I had a passion for trading. And I've always known that I have a passion to help people. So what I would like this channel to be is a place of information that I wish I had when I got started. A place where new traders that don't know where to start can come together and learn. So like I said, I've been trading for about 8 years now, and it's been a very interesting journey. Over the years that I've been learning, I've noticed a lot of people have their own systems and their own ways of trading. And what I've realized is there is no one size fits all. As I learned, it seemed like most people just want to sell you their system without actually teaching you how to read the market yourself so you can know what you're doing and why you're placing the trades where you're placing them. On the chart in front of you is iRobot. iRobot had a great trade today. The entry for iRobot was right here on this breakout. The stop would have been right below this candle, and I'll zoom in a little bit. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. So here we go. Here's your entry right here. Your stop goes here. And your 2-to-1 target was at 57.72, roughly, give or take 10 cents. And this I've learned over the years of trading, but it didn't come very easy. This actually took me about 5 years to start to understand how to read the market and how to trade them. So this is what I want to talk about in this channel. How to read the market, why professional traders use candlestick charts, and what they actually tell us about what's happening in real time. If you're not sure what you're looking at, don't worry. I'll get into that in the next few videos. I plan to make a whole series about where to start, what to look for, and so on. If you already know what you're looking at, great. Be a part of the community and maybe share your knowledge. Everyone has a different system that they trade, a different way of trading that works for them and their personality, and that's okay. Everything works in the markets, just not all the time. There is no 100% success rate. But if you take calculated risks while managing your funds correctly and protecting your account, you can be very profitable in this business. So the next few videos, I'm going to talk about some charts, what to look for, what candlesticks are, how to read them, and how to use them to help your trading. I hope you enjoy the channel, and I hope you learn something that you did not know before you watched this video. The goal is to create a positive community so everyone can continue doing what they love doing and be profitable while we're doing it. Stick around and let's get to know each other a little better. If any of this information was helpful to you, subscribing and hitting the like button will let the YouTube algorithm know that there's quality content in this video. If you'd like to see this video get recommended to more people, leaving a comment will help the algorithm do that. Leave me a comment below. I plan on picking some similar themed comments and questions to talk about in my upcoming videos. That's all for now. I'll see you in my next video.